Jai Shri Gurudev. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I think you are so fine. Now, let us recall some more basic concepts that you learned under the branch of mathematics, that is geometry. As you learn, geometry is the study of points, line, angle, surfaces and solids. Totally, under this branch of mathematics, that is geometry, we are going to study about shapes of the objects. Shapes. Now, first point is point. Points. A point is a location in space. It is represented by a dot. See here, this is the dot, and we give a name. Any, we used to denote it by any of the alphabet. Okay, it is known as point. Point is a location in the space. Next is line. A line is a collection of points that extend forever. See here in this figure, see, this is what? This is the line. It is a collection of points. What are the points here? A, B, C are the points, and this collection of points through a line is called what? Line. Next one is line segment. A line segment is a part of line. See here, this is the line AC. In this, see, AB is the line segment. And tell me, AB is the line segment, and one more line segment is BC. We can also consider AC also. What? AC is also line segment. Next one is ray. Ray means a ray is a collection of points that begin at one end point and extend forever on one direction. See here, this is what? This is the ray. It starts from O and it extends to A in this direction to our right. Okay, next one is angle. Angle means two rays with the same end point forms an angle. See here, as you learned, what is this? Point. This is what? OA is the ray and OB is the one more ray. So, this gap is known as angle. This is the angle OAOB or BOA, and we represent it by the symbol like this. See, AOB is the angle, or one more way, AOB. This is what? Angle. Representation of angle. These are the symbols we use to represent angle. Gap between the two rays is known as angle. Next one is plane. What is plane? A plane is a flat surface like a piece of paper. See, this is what? This is plane, and it is represents like this. ABCD is the plane. Next, parallel line. Two lines never meet in space or on a plane. See, these two are parallel lines. These two lines doesn't intersect each other. It's just like a railway track. Understood? There is no there is no point of intersection. There is a, see, and one more thing we have to keep it in your mind, that there is a constant between these two lines. It's called parallel line. Next, intersecting line. Intersecting line means a line at a point. Two lines intersect at a point, meet. When lines meet in a space or on a plane are called intersecting. See here, this is the point of intersection of these two lines. Which are the lines here? AB is the one line and CD is the another line. These two lines intersect at O. Okay. See here one more figure. Observe. Yes. This is the line AB and this is the line CD. These two lines intersect at O. This type of lines are intersecting lines. Next is vertex. The point where two rays meet is called a vertex. See here, point. See, this is the one ray OA and this is the another ray OB. This is what we call it as vertex point. Next, let us learn types of angles. As you learned, tell me what are the different types of angles? Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle. Then actually what is acute angle? An acute angle which measures more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Acute angle is an angle which measures more than 0 degree less than 90 degree. Means 1 degree to 89 degree. All these angles are acute angles. It may be 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 80 degree, 70 degree, 60 degree, etc. Next, right angle. An angle which measures exactly 90 degree is called right angle. See here what? Exactly 90 degree. Children, tell me which is the device we use to measure angle? Yes, protractor we use to measure angle. If you measure angle by using protractor, if it gives 90 degree means it is right angle. Next one is obtuse angle. An angle which measures greater than 90 degree less than 180 degree. Greater than 90 means 91 degree to how much? 91 degree to 179 degree obtuse angle. Next, straight angle means an angle which measures exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. See, this is the representation of straight angle. This is straight angle 180 degree, exactly 180 degree. Next, reflex angle, an angle which measures greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, or angle measuring between 180 to 360 degree is called reflex angle. Next one is last angle is complete angle. An angle which measures exactly 360 degree is called what? Complete angle. Complete angle. 360 degree complete angle. How it look like, children? It looks like circle. A circle. What is the angle of circle? Circle of 360 degree. Measure of circle of 360 degree. Next, let us learn some related angles. That is complementary angles, supplementary angle, adjacent angle, linear pair, and yes, vertically opposite angle. What is complementary angle then? The sum of measure of two angles is 90 degree. then these angles are called complementary angles. For example, 45 degree plus 45 degree. How much? 90 degree. Very good. Then these two angles are complementary angles. Not only these two, but 60 plus 30, 90 degree. These two are complementary angles. And some more measures. How much? 70 plus 20, 90 degree. Complementary angles. The sum of two measure of two angles is 90 degree. It gives complementary angle. Next, supplementary angle. The sum of measure of two angles is 180 degree. Then they are called supplementary angles. 90 plus 90, 180. 100 plus 80, 180. Supplementary angles. Now, adjacent angles. Two angles are said to be adjacent if they have common vertex and common arm. Arm or side. See here in this figure, AB. How many angles are there here, children? Yes, two. One is angle AOC. This one. Another one is angle BOC. This one. See, these two are adjacent. Why these two are adjacent? Because these two angles have, see, common vertex. See, O is the common vertex for these two angles. And common arm. See here, OC, OC. For this angle also, we consider this ray. For this angle also, this is the ray. Therefore, this is the common ray for these two angles. Therefore, this type of angles are called adjacent angles. Adjust. See, your name itself indicates adjacent angle. These two angles adjust one arms. One arm. Next one is linear pair. A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angle whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Linear pair is a adjacent angle. See, adjacent means it must contain common vertex and common arm. Therefore, these two rays are non-common. This is the common arm. Common arm is OC. Non-common arm means, see, these two, OA and OB are the non-common. Non-common arms are opposite rays. Then these two are linear pair. And its sum also is equal to 180 degree. That is angle AOC plus and angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Next, vertically opposite angles. The angles opposite each other when two lines cross is vertically. See, this is the vertex. O is the vertex. These two are vertically opposite and these two are vertically opposite angles. Next, let us learn pair of lines. Intersecting lines. You know already. Two lines meet at a point are called intersecting lines. And one more concept in lines and angles, that is transversal. Transversal means a line that intersects two or more lines at a distinct point is called a transversal. Here, this is the one line AB. Consider another line BC, and this line is known as transversal. Understood? Thank you.